Eagle Mountain, Utah, is a city where weather can change drastically between seasons, from snowy, brisk winters to dry, sunny summers. In this fluctuating climate, more and more homeowners are turning to energy-efficient window installation as a smart, long-term investment. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, energy-efficient windows are becoming a go-to solution for residents who want comfort, savings, and sustainability all in one. Cutting down on utility bills is one of the top reasons Eagle Mountain homeowners are making the switch is the significant reduction in energy costs. Traditional single-pane or poorly insulated windows allow for substantial heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. In contrast, energy-efficient windows are engineered to maintain indoor temperatures, helping to regulate your heating and cooling systems. Features like low-E coatings, argon gas-filled panes, and multiple glazing layers drastically minimize heat transfer. The result? Homeowners report savings of up to 30% on monthly utility bills, making the investment pay for itself over time. Enhanced comfort year-round homes in Eagle Mountain need windows that can stand up to both extremes, hot sun and cold winds. Energy-efficient windows reduce unwanted heat in summer and trap warmth during winter, helping you maintain a consistent and comfortable indoor temperature. No more cold drafts near your windows in January or overheated living rooms in July. Moreover, advanced frame materials and improved seals mean less air leakage, improving not just temperature control but also indoor air quality. Environmental responsibility. More Eagle Mountain homeowners are becoming environmentally conscious, and energy-efficient windows support that mindset. Reducing your home's energy consumption helps lower greenhouse gas emissions and lessens your carbon footprint. By simply upgrading your windows, you're actively contributing to a greener, more sustainable community. Plus, many energy-efficient window products qualify for Energy Star certification, which ensures that you're investing in environmentally responsible materials. Increased property value. In today's real estate market, energy efficiency is a major selling point. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home that boasts lower utility bills, modern window technology, and reduced maintenance needs. In fact, recent studies show that energy-efficient window installations can recoup up to 70 to 80% of their initial cost at resale. If you're planning to sell your Eagle Mountain home in the near future, upgrading your windows now could give you a competitive edge in the market. Noise reduction benefit. Another often overlooked benefit of modern energy-efficient windows is sound insulation. Double or triple pane glass, combined with gas fills and insulated frames, significantly reduces outside noise. This is especially helpful if you live near main roads, construction sites, or bustling neighborhoods in Eagle Mountain. The result? A more peaceful and serene indoor environment that enhances your quality of life. Rebates and incentive. To encourage energy-conscious choices, many utility companies and local government programs offer rebates and tax incentives for energy-efficient upgrades. If you install qualifying windows, you may be eligible for these financial benefits, further reducing the overall cost of your investment. Be sure to consult with a local contractor or window specialist in Eagle Mountain to learn more about current programs and how to apply. Choosing the right installation partner. While selecting the right windows is important, professional installation is just as critical. Poorly installed energy-efficient windows won't perform to their full potential. That's why it's essential to work with a licensed, experienced installer familiar with the local building codes and climate conditions in Eagle Mountain. Ask about warranties, product certifications, and past client references to ensure you're making the best decision for your home. Final thought. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to greater home value and environmental impact, the benefits of energy-efficient window installation are clear. Eagle Mountain homeowners are choosing this smart upgrade to future-proof their homes while enjoying immediate and long-term returns. If you're considering new windows, now is the perfect time to explore your energy-efficient options. Your home, and your wallet, will thank you.